In this video, we will be working through the process to create the Simple Bookshelf project. This project consists of 15 parts. Part 1 is to create the left and right sides. Part 2 is to create the bottom shelf. Part 3 is to create the bottom gussets. Part 4 is to assemble the carcass of the project. Part 5 is to create the top rear rail. Part 6 is to create the front stiles. Part 7 is to create the bottom rail kick plate. Part 8 is to create the top front rail. Part 9 is to do our first assembly. Part 10 is to create our top gussets. Part 11 is to create the top. Part 12 is to work with the pilasters. Part 13 is to create the back. Part 14 is to create the shelves. And part 15 is our final assembly. Our project plans consist of 2 sheets. The first sheet is our multi-view drawing, and the second sheet is the exploded view of our project.